here I will tell you about one of the tourist attractions, namely the Saturn waterfall and the Anambas Island. Let's go!
A few moments later.
The uniqueness of this waterfall had attracted the attention of many people and has become one of the main attractions in the Rio Island. With its natural beauty and multi-level uniqueness, Tamburun Waterfall is a tourist destination that is worth visiting for anyone who wants to enjoy the natural wonder of Indonesia. Even though its experience a very period, its natural beauty still attracts visitors. Tamburun Waterfall is a tourist attraction that offers stunning natural view and unforgettable experience for tourists. With its location in the middle of the forest, Tamburun Waterfall offers a unique natural adventure experience.
That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are.
Its extensive as a 2-story waterfall also adds its own attraction.
That's all we are. We set out on the open road to the
Surrounded by natural beauty, this waterfall is a suitable destination for natural lovers and adventurers.
We get knocked down, we'll rise again. We won't give up, we won't forget. It's who we are, forever young. Light up the dark, break down these walls. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we
The uniqueness of the waterfall has attracted the attention of many people and has become one of the main attractions in the Rio Island. With its natural beauty and multi-level uniqueness, Tamburun Waterfall is a tourist destination that is worth visiting for anyone who wants to enjoy the natural wonder of Indonesia.
Up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far.
This was a description of the waterfall for generations in the Honestly, guys, if you have the opportunity during the holidays, go to this place to enjoy the very beautiful atmosphere and see other falls. Attraction in maybe that's all I can show. Experience can add applause and let's with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.